Hi, happy Saturday. So let's take a look at this progress here. So this is the Upbound Main, and the point where I just started is Petticoat Junction. We're working our way downbound to the already laid section that was put in last week. Got the work train up here. It's in McKinley siding, and we got our tools that we need for putting track together, and here we go. You can see all the work that's been done today so far. We only had 2 panels off the diamond, and there's, what, 8 or 9 now let's put down. So you see these gaps right here. There's no ties in there because that's where the ends of the panels are put together. One little hint, don't mind the gap there. So if you're in a curve, it really does help once you get your 2 panels put together in a curve to put your spacer ties in. That helps keep the curve in. We have a train coming, so let's go take a look at it. Hey, it's 3008. Yeah, so it's a beautiful Saturday. Nice day for a train ride. So that's all I got for an update, folks. We're going to close the gap today and hopefully start putting ballast down, and we're getting ever so close to getting our Upbound Mainline put together. Thanks for watching, folks.